If you recall, in the last video I posted on YouTube, I talked about the importance of having the correct wheel with the right offset and the correct size tire on your older Mercedes. You know, if you choose not to do that, well, you might have some problems with excessive suspension and steering component wear. Now, if you look at Digby here, Digby has the correct smaller 14-inch wheels and the correct tires, but there's another issue with tires I want to address in this video, and that's the appearance issue, okay? Come on, you know, we see a lot of Mercedes driving around with dirty alloy wheels, and it just kind of takes away from the attractiveness of a car like Digby here. So what I'm going to do is pull these wheels off and paint them. Now, if you look at the wheels from 15 feet away, they don't look too bad, but look at them closely. You see how they get dirty down in these holes here, and they're real dirty around the bolts. A lot of times you'll have to paint the bolts too. So I'm going to bring Ryan out. We're going to pull these wheels off, put the wheels on the car, and we're going to thoroughly clean them, and we're going to paint them with my alloy wheel paint kit. And I have to say, when you take the time to paint your alloy wheels, it makes a whale of a difference in how the car looks.
And just go ahead and slide the, yeah. No, go up, put it forward. Put the jack stand forward. Yeah, there you go. You're off the ground good enough, so you're fine. Just leave both of them in there, that's good enough. Yeah, you can't see it. I know, yeah. That's my only complaint. Put them all in, because otherwise someone will... Yeah.
You know, Kent, after getting these off and seeing how dirty they are really up close, I think once we finish painting them, they're going to look killer.
And as a side note to the end of this video, I want to show you something here. We had just finished waxing Digby with acrylic works. Look at how the water beat it up. And also this morning, I got up after a heavy night of rain, and look at how the water beat it up on Cherry after a good waxing of acrylic works.